Welcome to Virajya Tech online training platform. We offer expert-led courses designed to upskill professionals and students. Learn at your own pace. Start your journey to success with Virajya Tech.
Let's start the today's sessions. Today we are going to learn AWS Cloud Master Program. Okay, and so now in the AWS Cloud, how our journey will be, we need to understand. Okay, so if you can able to see here, like AWS Cloud certification images. Okay, just I am giving you the heads up how the journey is supposed to in the AWS Cloud. Like in the AWS Cloud, the fundamental things, the basics things you get to know in the practitioner. Okay. Associate level, you are going to do the configurations, how to do the configurations. Then based on your interest, you can go to the solution architect professional, or you can go to the DevOps engineering. You can go both, or you also can do the developer based on your interest, based on your stream, or you can go the security level, practitioner, associate, and AWS Cloud Security. Okay. So based on your subscriptions, you can navigate in the master program. Okay. And you can able to do the, as per your subscriptions, what are the courses. I used to cover like based on like a, like professional DevOps, developer, database security, okay, practitioner, associate, okay, machine learning, data analytics, database. Based on your subscriptions, you will get it from my side. Okay. Now, how to create the AWS Cloud account? You just go AWS Cloud console. Okay. So from here, you will go and create a AWS Cloud Management Console account, and you can do the sign up here. Okay. You can go here and you can do the sign up. So how exactly it is, just quickly I am telling you. So now try to understand. See, in the cloud, everything is a deployment. Cloud, it is not like any, the separate streams. What exactly happen? The software which you people are developing to provide the services to the customer. Customer is facing the challenges like in terms of the load and high available infrastructure, fault tolerant infrastructure. So because legacy system, we have a one server only, limited RAM, limited hard disk, unable to provide. The security concerns also will be there. So that was the challenges which was facing. So Amazon bring all these facilities, okay, without challenges. You can able to provide the highly available, fault tolerant, and secure infrastructure to provide the services to the customer. So whatever you are developing the software, you just push into the cloud and create their infrastructure. And as you are the like beginner level, you don't have money, you can use the Amazon premises and provide the best services to the customer and just pay the bill how much you are consuming. So if you can see here, like cloud basically is started because of software deployment purpose. That activities you can manage effectively, because software deployment is the activities where customer will get the services for your software. So you are pushing your software to the internet so that anybody can utilize it. So generally, this is the like a diagram. This is the like a concept of the cloud, like your development team sitting on the computers, connected with the routers, and based on the like development, they push their software to the internet world. Once they push their software to the internet world, then earlier we have a challenges like we have a one servers, and when the huge traffic will come, we unable to do anything. But now the facility here, like multiple servers are available. Like when the load will be high, the number of the nodes is auto created, like server 1, server 2, server 3. So we are able to provide highly available system to the customer, and they can able to use. Okay. So that is like a diagram, deployment diagram. So in terms of the topology, how your infra, you connect it with your network. Then in the network, there is a storage, database, compute, all those things will be connected in the cloud network, and you are able to access. There is the multiple clouds now in the market. Amazon Cloud, Google Cloud, Oracle Cloud, Azure Cloud. Okay. You are using divided. Everyone cloud has on specific area. Functionality is same, UI is different. Amazon is number one in the market. So standard deployment process is you are here, you developed something, you are sending the HTTP request to the server, whatever the software you developed, push to the server, and from there your deployment is done and your customer is getting the services. That is the standard process. So application, product, data. Why cloud? If people are asking, because of the cost. Cost is compared to the, it's something like a effective and cheaper. Speed, we can get the high speed, global scalability, performance will be high, and reliability. Okay, we can take the data backup, disaster recovery. Okay, all these features.
Can I ask
How
you one
you can?
question? Sorry.
Yes,
Ajay.
yes, yeah,
Can I ask
yeah,
you
yeah,
just,
tell.
can you just compare like the percentage wise, like approximately, I'm not 100%, like what the Amazon and Microsoft and Oracle and like Amazon is the most nowadays, like what kind of percentage in the market, like Amazon and Microsoft?
See, the thing is, right now in the Amazon market is 60%,
Okay.
and Azure market will be Microsoft specific product, which are the company are using. They are using the Azure. So these are the two players in the market which people are using. So you can assume Amazon is using like a 60%, Azure is like a 40%, and overlapping is happening in the Google. What I'm
Okay.
telling, see, Amazon is like, suppose that today you want to start a company. It's very user friendly and cost effective and like easy to use for anyone. And lot of services are available. So Amazon is everyone is using. Most of the companies are using the Amazon. Azure,
Thank you for your,
like
thank you for your answer. But I understand the Amazon is 60%. So all the small players like Google, Microsoft, and all like Alibaba, Oracle, it's a number of percent, but the majority is 60% is Amazon.
Amazon.
So
yes.
this is the best way, the best platform is to learn.
Yes, correct. So the thing is, Azure is basically the company whichever using already the Microsoft product. So they are has to use the Microsoft, and already Microsoft earlier was the popular. So that's why Azure also will be the big player in the market. The Google actually, basically Google Cloud people are using for the DevOps perspective, like Docker, Kubernetes, like containerizations. They are doing in the Docker, that purpose. Means they are using the Google Cloud, that purpose. Oracle Cloud, like it did not get more success, but platform as a service, people are using Oracle Cloud. Okay. These are the four major players. Amazon is the best in the software as a service, SaaS model, SaaS. Like whatever you want, like you can get it quickly. Okay. So you can go in the AWS Cloud Console, click on the link and create your account. So you can enroll your account, sign in. See, nowadays, what happen? You can do the registration, give your name, email ID, phone number, okay, your personal account details, create only the personal account for the practicing purpose, give your credit card, it will deduct $1 or $2, and you need to fill that information, OTP will generate, give that authentication purpose, and select the basic account. Basic account, 700 free hours, you will get it. And then you will get the 4-digit IP PIN number. And then finally your account is done. Once your account is done, okay, you will get the email and then you can able to log in. So that is how your AWS Cloud Console is created. Once you have a AWS Cloud Console, then you can able to start your journey. So the day one, what you will do? Day one, you will do the user management, authentication, authorizations. Okay, those things you need to do that. Day one, who can access, what kind of the access, how can I restrict, those things we will do. So far is clear. Okay, just a basic overview we did. Now we are going to the hands-on. Now we can log in the console. This is our console. Okay. Now click on this view all service. You can able to see my console. Hello.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now view all service. Then very first, what we will do? We will do the identity and access management. So security, identity, compliance. We will go IAM. Click on this IAM. So if you have AWS account, you can open it. I will tell some of the settings. Okay. So now, like we can come to the IAM dashboard. So what we will do first, we can do the account settings. So here you can see here, edit, click on this edit. And here you can give some name. Suppose that we give the name as Virajitech. So what will happen? Our account number, which is coming in the URL, that will be hidden by the Virajitech and save the changes. So your URL will be this. Okay. Now, second settings, what you will do? Okay. you can go the account settings. Click on this account settings. And here we can go this edit. Click on this edit. And here you can define password length. You can set like 8, 9, 10. Then you can set the rules like require at least one uppercase, lowercase. So whichever the rule you want to set, according that your password will work. 15 days expirations, those things you can put it and save the changes. Okay. So that is the account settings you did. The next step will come. Who can able to access this? As of now, you are logging with the root users. Tomorrow you want your team also will access this. So you can go to the user creation. Click on this user creation. So here we will create the user. So user creation process, we can say authentication. Authentication means somebody knows about you. That is the authentication. When you are staying in the apartment, your watchman is knowing about you. So it means you are the authenticated users for the system. Okay, that is the authentication. Click on this create, click on this user. Are you with me? You are able to understand, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now we can go the user one. Suppose that user one we are creating Chandresh. Chandresh. Then select this provide user access to the AWS management console. I want to create the IAM user and we can give the password, custom password or auto-generated password, whichever you want to give, you can give. Then we can give capital ABCD@123. We can give the password. Then user must create a new password next to sign in. So whenever you are working in the company, you need to forcefully change the password because of this policy. So now permission. Permission means authorization. What the things you allow to do. So we providing you the permission. Attach policy directly. So AWS is providing multiple policies. We are providing the administrator access so that you are equivalent to the root users and you can able to do the things. Then we can go to this next. Okay. And create users. So what will happen? User is created, Chandresh, and download this .csv file. So here your detail will be there, and you will access console by this URL. You no need to log in the root users. This user you will give this. Return to the user list. Now, once Chandresh is created, click on this Chandresh. Administrator access. Now security credentials we need to add. Go the security credentials. And we can provide multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication means you gave the username and password. Also, you can give like your OTP, your thumb, your retina means something you are. Okay. Something you have, that is the authentication. Something you are multi-factor authentication, like you have a retina, thumb or OTP, whatever. So multi-factor authentication. Assign the MFA device. Give the device name Viraj Tech and go to the Authenticator app. Click on this Authenticator app. Next. Show the QR code. So In the Google, if you go, there is a Play Store. In the Google Play Store, there is a app called Authenticator. Nowadays, everyone has a Authenticator app, Google Authenticator app. You take this, install in your mobile. Okay. And then get started and scan the QR code. Okay. Click on this plus icon, scan the QR code, then the numbers will come. You can see one cycle is going on. So one cycle, one number, attach it, then another cycle, two consecutive cycle. We should not miss the cycle here. Another number will come, we need to give. Then attached. Okay. I installed this app in my mobile, Authenticator app. Okay. You can also install this. So now I'm going my mobile. In the mobile, Authenticator app will be there. Google Authenticator app. Okay. Now click on this plus icon, scan the QR code. I scanned. Okay. Now here you can see MFA code 1. First number we can give. Then we should wait second cycle. But we should not miss the cycle, two consecutive cycle. So another cycle, another number. Add MFA.
Okay. Can I ask you something?
Yeah, please tell.
Where that number comes out from?
Number is come in your mobile in the app. So
Okay.
in the mobile, you download the Google Authenticator app. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
So download this in your Android or iOS, this mobile. Okay. So now you can see virtual MFA is attached. Now your work is over. Oh, copy this URL. Now log out from here. Log out. Okay. Now this URL I will give. So you can see account ID. Chandresh, password. And sign in. Still you are not able to log in because of the MFA code. Give the MFA code, go to your mobile, go to the Google Authenticator app. What is the code is coming that you need to give that. It's kind of your RSA token for your security because your entire infrastructure is here. Submit. Now we can give the old password. Old password. Now in the new password. Confirm the password. So now you can see you can able to log in by the Chandresh@Virajtech and able to do the work. So not required the root users because root users, whoever the company owner that will create, after that he will create the IAM user and give the access so that you guys can work and proceed. Got it or not? Clear?
Absolutely
Chandresh?
clear. Absolutely
Okay.
clear, sir.
Okay. So today what we did, we understood how to create the AWS account. So create the AWS account, then create your user, the admin user, and do the multi-factor authentication. Okay, that is the first step. Do the account settings. Okay, as I told. Okay, so that is the first activity which we need to do. Then we will connect tomorrow. Tomorrow we will connect again 7 o'clock. Okay.
Thank you. The same time, right?
Yeah, same time.
Okay.